what's up guys, welcome back. So I just want to give you guys my thoughts. So we got new STI in the internet going crazy right now. We got Subaru revealing two concept cars. I do not care about the EV other than the front end kind of looks good, but other than that they can push that way back to like 2035 or whatever. I don't really care for it, but we're gonna talk about the new STI that may or may not be coming or going into production. But honestly, that car already looks like it's in production ready, the way they presented it, because it's rocking mostly everything you'll find on a Subaru. So like those wheels, the BBSs, I had those BBSs on this car when I first got the car. Sadly, I sold those wheels and I regret it 100%, because I could have just kept them and I could have just painted them black. But no, I went with and traded them in for the other STI, non-BBS. I think they're the Yankees, maybe, I don't know. But yeah. But anyways, yeah, they already have that, and then honestly, it has the interior of the VB, has everything already set in stone. But yeah, like I said, those wheels, you can find them on your STI nowadays, and then plus, I don't know, it just looked production ready. It had the interior already fully ready. It had the Recaro seats. It has the BB style interior, which is okay. I mean, I don't have a problem with the BB interior. The only thing is that screen that it comes with. I prefer manual climate controls, because on the BB, oh my god, it's a pain in the ass, especially if it's too hot or it's too cold. It just freezes and it takes forever to load. So hopefully they don't put that in there if they do decide to come with the STI version. But as you can see in the pictures, they have what's it called, they have the DCCD controller right here, the SI drive. You can see that in the picture, 6-speed manual. So I'm pretty sure it's rocking this transmission, if not an upgraded of this transmission. But honestly, yeah, a lot of people like it because it can hold power. Honestly, it's a good transmission. That's why we're all hyped about it. And if it has an FA24, I mean, but yeah, if they could just modify that engine a little bit to hold a little bit more power, that would be cool. And then just put a bigger turbo or something. Honestly, I think the thing that sells an STI is, for me, it's definitely the transmission. For me, it's definitely the rumble. And the steering on this feels crazy good because it's hydraulic. The only issue is with hydraulic, it leaks or they break, you know, certain things like that. But on the VB, it's electric, and I use no feedback. There's nothing. You can turn the wheel very quickly. This one kind of feels like a go-kart. So definitely a lot better than the VB. Yeah, honestly, yeah. Who knows? But if they could beef up the engine and then put the STI engine, we're all sold. Honestly, it's a hatchback. We all wanted a hatchback, either a Crosstrek or an Impreza. I mean, an Impreza, when that first came out, the RS, I was like, dang, why don't they just make this an STI? No, they made an RS version, nothing, no power, nothing. But honestly, they can make that an STI, and I think that's what they're going for with the Impreza. So instead of WRX, the WRX is going to be doing its own thing. Then the Impreza is going to have an STI version of that, which kind of sucks. I wish the VB, I mean, they could literally throw all that they're going to do on the the Impreza, and put it in the VB2 for the next generation and call it a STI too. Have two STIs, a hatchback and a sedan. But honestly, I do like it. I do like it, especially the wide body. I know it's not going to have that type of wide body, but I'm just like, if the Corolla can have a little wide body, then the Subaru can do something to make it a little wide body, kind of like the Corolla. I mean, the Corolla looks really nice compared to a stock Corolla. I mean, it has a wider body. Holy shit, this dude. Wider body, and it just looks pretty sick. Honestly, Corolla looks nice. If only they had a 4-cylinder for that car, I would definitely jump on it. But I heard the 3-cylinder is okay. I mean, it's fine, whatever. It's good for a daily. I mean, yeah, if I ever wanted to add it, I would. But honestly, I think the VB has a better interior than the Corolla, and that's why, I mean, that's why I chose the Subaru over a Corolla. I was thinking of getting a Corolla versus the VB when I was thinking of getting it, but yeah, I just wanted to check out the VV, honestly. Plus I love Subarus, so yeah, I want to kind of keep it in the family. So yeah, if Subaru releases this, that'll be pretty sick. If not, then we'll be thinking of adding maybe a Type R or a Corolla. I don't know, the new STI looks nice. If you've seen the pictures, it's completely modified. It has vents on the hood, it has a wider body, has a big old spoiler. I don't think the production version is gonna look like that at all, but if they can keep the vents cool, like kind of like what the Corolla did with the Circuit Edition, little vents on the top, that would be pretty cool, something like that. And then I don't know, do something about the front bumper. The front bumper is kind of like that's the only thing that I see that just kind of doesn't look right with the front, the whole rest of the car, especially how aggressive the wide body fenders are and the freaking spoiler. So, and then the center exhaust, the diffuser and all that, I don't think that front bumper looks good, and it doesn't match with the body style they're going for. I honestly think if they would have put a different bumper, maybe the Levorg front bumper or something, or even the VB front bumper, I honestly like the VV front bumper over that one. It just looks more aggressive than that one that they're going with. I think that one would match way more, because it kind of just looks like a Crosstrek, like everybody says, or an Impreza from the front bumper, even if it has a little lip on there. So it's okay. I mean, Subaru should know that people are gonna put front mount intercoolers, and kind of how this car is. It has a little front mount kind of looking bumper style, you know, like you're able to put a front mount there and it's gonna look good. So I don't know. So yeah, definitely if it comes out, I am 100% thinking of getting it if it has the STI transmission, if it has more power, a little bit more power, and if it's less than 60K, because you know a lot of people are saying it's gonna cost more than 60K. I highly doubt it, because I don't think they're gonna release it with that body style, like the fender flares and stuff. So I don't think it's gonna release for 60K. Maybe 48, 47. I know the VB with everything costs around 42, 40. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the new STI. Honestly, yeah, we all prefer for them to make an actual brand new hatchback, brand new platform, but you know, Subaru's gotta use what they got, so they're gonna use either the Impreza or they're gonna use the VB platform. So if they use the VB platform, I mean, it's not a bad looking car except for the fenders and all that. So yeah, and plus aftermarket goes crazy, and it helps a lot to have aftermarket parts. So yeah, I don't know, just let me know what you guys think about the new STI. Honestly, if more information comes out, I will talk about it, and yeah, post another video. So yeah, that's pretty much it I got for you guys. Just got done doing a wheel alignment on this car. Drives amazing, and the exhaust sounds really good. Although it's kind of quiet, it still has its rumble characteristics, and it just sounds really good. It's very quiet compared to the Tomei, and the Tomei I already sold it. It's gone, never coming back. Just kidding. If I ever decide to go back to the Tomei, I will, but for now I'm gonna enjoy this Greddy. Definitely love it. Looks good. Like I said, the roll tip just, I don't know, just looks really, really, really cool. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Well, let me know what you guys think of the new reveal of the STI, sort of in production, not production. I don't know what Subaru is even thinking. I just hope they do something, honestly, because I do want to get another, I don't know, faster car. The VB's good, but I do want another one for the other daily. But yeah, I was thinking of Corolla GR, Honda Type R, and if Subaru gets their shit together, then definitely another STI. This one is not going anywhere ever. I will keep this car going until I die, I guess. Or until I can no longer, when it's like rusted, everything's falling apart, parts are not being made anymore, stuff like that. But overall, yeah, this car is not going anywhere, and I don't think the VB is not going anywhere. Well, yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you guys think and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace out.